Audio Jungle.
Hi friends, welcome back to Joe's Focus Marine Agency channel. Today we are going to see how we have fabricated a container for labor accommodation for a customer. Stay place for laborers is required when a new factory is started or in construction sites and other labor-oriented companies. Solution for such purposes using container for accommodation. A 40 by 10 feet container is modified for housing 12 laborers by providing 6 bunker beds on one side. Other side of the container space is for keeping table chairs, personal belongings, refrigerator, electric stoves or any necessary items for laborers. Since the container is going to be used for stay, we have used materials with ISO standard and water fireproof safety. We have also provided necessary air ventilation. One of the important facility to use container for this quadra setup is we can transport this container to other location after the usage. We can also make use of this 40 by 10 container to accommodate maximum of 25 laborers if it is just for night stay. So viewers, if you need any setup like this or storage facility, toilet setup or HR office, do contact us. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.